If you work with AutoCAD, learning how to use WBLOCK can save you a lot of time and make your drawings much easier to organize and share. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use WBLOCK in AutoCAD step by step so you can export blocks, entire drawings, or selected objects into a brand new DWG file. This is especially useful when you want to reuse content, send only part of a drawing, or create a clean separate file from your current project. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work with. Make sure the file is fully open and ready before you begin, because WBLOCK works from the current drawing you have on screen. Once your drawing is open, type WBLOCK into the command line and press enter. This opens the Write Block dialog box, which is where you decide exactly what you want to export. In the Write Block dialog, you'll see a few different options depending on what you want to save. If you want to export an existing block from your drawing, choose Block. This is useful when you've already created a block and want to save it as its own separate drawing file. If you want to save everything in the current drawing, choose Entire Drawing. This is the easiest option when you want a full copy of the entire file in a new location. If you only want to save part of the drawing, choose Objects. This option lets you pick specific elements manually, which is perfect when you only need certain parts of your design. If you selected Objects, the next step is to click Select Objects. AutoCAD will return you to the drawing area, where you can click on the objects you want to export. Carefully select the items you need, and when you're done, press Enter to confirm your selection. After that, you need to specify the base point. The base point is the insertion point for the new file, so choose it carefully. You can click a point directly in the drawing, or if you already know the exact location, you can enter coordinates manually. This step is important because it controls how the exported file will behave when it's inserted somewhere else later. Next, choose the file location where you want AutoCAD to save the new file. You can browse to a folder on your computer, external drive, or shared project directory. Then enter a clear file name so you can find it easily later. It's always a good idea to use a name that describes the content of the file, especially if you're creating multiple exports. Before you finish, make sure the file type is set to .dwg. This is the standard AutoCAD drawing format, and it ensures the new file opens properly in AutoCAD and other compatible software. Once everything looks correct, click OK to create the new file. AutoCAD will generate the WBLOCK file based on the option you selected, and your exported drawing or objects will be saved as a separate DWG. And that's it. Now you know how to use WBLOCK in AutoCAD to export blocks, entire drawings, or selected objects into a new file. This is a simple but powerful tool that can really improve your workflow. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and let me know in the comments what AutoCAD feature you want to learn next.